Wolfgang's Super Snacks. Today we're making a banana carrot loaf, or you can call it a banana. Let's get started. We got rolled oats, wholemeal flour, brown sugar, coconut, sunflower seeds, walnuts, sultanas, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, cloves and cardamom. Put them into a bowl and mix it all up. Now it's time for the ingredients. We're going to beat 1 egg. Let's have a meeting with this guy. Ding ding! Hello! Mashed bananas, carrots, peanut butter, coconut oil, and vanilla. Now we're gonna put in the lemon juice. Now that I've poured the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, I'll mix it until just combined. Now I'm gonna put the mixture into my loaf tin. Ding! Haha! Bake it at 190 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes or until done. And you might need a grown-up to help. Once it's done, it'll be great for a little afternoon snack or maybe even a dessert if you want it to be healthy. Once you took it out of the oven, leave it to cool in the tin and then take it out of the tin and leave it on a wire wrap. Now that the loaf has cooled, we'll cut ourselves a slice. Now I'm going to try some of this deliciousness. That is so yummy. Bye. See you next time. Boing, boing, boing. Take care, rabbit.